How do you make amazing looking custom thumbnail to get you more views on your YouTube video, even without any graphic design knowledge? I'm gonna show you how in this quick and easy tutorial right now. First of all, go to www.canva.com and you will be landed on this page. Next, log in or sign up if you are new. So I'm just logged in to your account. Next, you will be landed on this page. What you're gonna do, you're gonna create a new design. And then what do you search for right here? You search for YouTube thumbnail, or you can just search for YouTube. And then it will show you a different preset. Okay, YouTube thumbnail 1280 x 720 pixel. This is what you need. This is by default the YouTube size. You can either choose all these all these presets, all these templates, and then edit from there, or you can create your own. But in this tutorial, we will create from scratch. First of all, just drag any picture that you want into the Canva itself, and then just drop it into this canvas. Right click this image and then set image as background. Alright, next we will go to the text tab and then create our own text. If you want to use any of this preset here, go ahead. There's a lot of good choices that could suit your preference. But we are going to create our own heading here in this tutorial. Quickly, top 10 recipe with maybe strawberries. Maybe this is the topic that you want to cover. So, and then you can resize the text, and definitely you want to increase the text font size. How about 88? It's a little bit too big. How about 72? Alright, now that you see that there's quite a huge spacing here, what you're gonna do, you're gonna click on this spacing, and then you can reduce the line spacing so that it clamps together and it looks nicer. But you'll notice that usually top 10 recipe width, it doesn't look very good. You can just shift enter, the recipe will go to the next line. You can change the color of different font in one element, meaning that right now I highlight this strawberry, I can go and change the strawberry font into a bright red. You can even increase the word itself strawberry, but you need to take note that you need to press shift enter to make it next line and then only resize this. So I can resize this once again. Okay, looking very beautiful. I want to change top 10 into capitalized top 10, and then I want you see there's the color blend here is not very nice. I want to add an element. I want to add a rectangle. Let me just quickly search for a rectangle box so that I can put it as a background here. I can click on this element and then resize this into a rectangle and then click on white color. But you might notice, where did my font go? You select this element and click on position, click backward, and your font will pop out. Now you need to resize, and you need to change this, place it into a very eye-catching position. But if you think that this thumbnail altogether is that this text is still not large enough, you can just quickly resize everything. Now I just center everything nicely, and not center enough. Maybe I want to place it in the center here. Top 10 recipe with strawberries, beautiful. If you wanted to add your own image, you use your own face in your video, you can just upload the image here. Alright, I'll be using this. Right now, you can click on this duplicate page to quickly duplicate this design. And then you can click and drop the image and then replace the image as a background here. As you can see, you can quickly resize everything, or resize this text because you want to fill it with your beautiful smile. And then you can double click on the image and position the image. Yep, so that my face won't be blocked and I can still see the font, the caption here. If you feel like this image is too bright, you can just quickly click on this background and then just click on this filter, and then you can change different filter for your image. You can put, you want to dial a little bit, grayscale or drama effects. You can use whatever effects here, and then you can even adjust the intensity. I'm gonna use afterglow and too much solar. Yeah, it brightens up my colors, my skin, and this is what I want. Just originally it is like this. The color isn't very clear. Right now, I pump up using this effect, solar effect. it's looking perfect. If you are done, you can just quickly click download, and to just select what page do you want. If you want to download both page, no problem. You can just click done and then just download, and we are done. So in just 5 minutes, you have created an amazing looking custom thumbnail that could get more attentions of your viewer for your YouTube video. So if you do like this kind of content and you would like to learn more about how to create templates of design without any design knowledge, follow me, like, subscribe, and follow my journey in these Canva hacks.